What's the meaning of chill? Chill. Chill.
Chill. Chill. The word chill has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can mean a feeling of coldness or a sensation of being relaxed or calm. As an adjective, it can be used to describe something that is cool or easygoing. As a verb, it can be used to tell someone to relax or to hang out casually with friends. In general, when people use the word chill, they are trying to express a sense of laid-back and mellow attitude, which often results in a sense of ease and comfort.